Welcome to the Payfunnels tutorial series. In this video, we'll show you how to create a recurring payment link with the first bill date, allowing you to start your customer subscription payments on a specific date. This feature is ideal for businesses that want all subscriptions to begin on a fixed date, such as the 1st, 15th, or 20th of each month. To create a payment link, click New Payment Link, then enter a title and description for your payment link. Next, choose the product type. You can select either single product or multiple products. In this example, we'll choose single product and then select recurring as the payment type. Now enter the amount you want to charge your customer. We'll enter $1,000 and select monthly as the billing interval. Next, scroll down to the advanced options section and enable the first bill date option. Then select the date on which you want recurring payments to begin. In this example, we'll choose the 20th of each month. Please note that the first bill date option is currently available only for monthly and yearly recurring subscriptions. You can also configure other options based on your needs, such as terms of service, forward processing fees, coupons, additional fields, and more. Once you're done, click Save. Your payment link has now been created. You can copy and share the payment link with your customers via email, text message, chat, WhatsApp, or any other social media platform. You can also email it directly from Payfunnels using the Send Payment Link option. A website integration code is also generated automatically, allowing you to add a Pay Now button directly to your website. To see the checkout page, click View Payment Link. On the checkout page, you'll see that the subscription is scheduled to begin on the 20th of the month, just as we configured while creating the payment link. That's it in the video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@payfunnels.com. Thanks for watching this video.